Hello, hello, hello. Okay, first off, what I want to do is wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa, and whatever else is out there. But mainly a Merry Christmas to everybody. What I want to do is I'm going to have a giveaway. Hopefully, I can do it towards the end of the year. But we got to get everyone registered. And in order to register, everyone can just leave a comment, 2 words, I'm in. And after everyone, I got 21 subscribers. After enough people get in, because there might be some people that are real busy over the holiday or traveling or something. But when I get close to 21, hopefully by the end of the year, like December 30th or something, which is like next Monday, we can do a drawing. But this is what I want to give away to you guys, or to somebody. Victorinox Farmer. Straight out of the box. Never used. Never carried. Just an all-around sweet knife. This one kind of, bridges all the gaps between the people that like modern folders and traditionals. Real useful. I actually gave one of these to my boss for a retirement present, and I just talked to him a couple weeks ago, and he loves it. He's still using it. He just turned into a grandpa, so he's been using a lot on the baby's room. But here we go. The farmer has the 2 screwdrivers, a can opener, a bottle opener, an awl or punch, saw, and a really nice main spear point, drop point kind of deal. Let's see if we can get some good shots of it. But yeah, so if anyone wants to get in, it's a subscriber. Just leave a comment down there saying I'm in. And after Christmas here, maybe next weekend, we'll see where we're at. And if I can do a drawing, we'll do it right then and there. What I'll do is I'll just put everyone's name in a hat the old-fashioned way and draw it out. And then we'll worry about how I ship it to you after that. What's really nice about this farmer and this punch is actually it's the kind that you screw into the wood if you need to make a hole to put a screw in somewhere, whether it be wood or drywall. But you just turn it. Let's close her up. I want to show you the main blade. And that saw is always useful. That'll cut drywall, do a whole bunch of things for you. I think it's UK legal because the blade is shorter than 3 inches and there's no locking mechanisms. But that's a pretty aggressive point on there. Really nice knife. Everyday carry. And the Alox is just really sharp too. You actually can get a grip way better than the plastic. Everything's centered. It's a really good knife. So go ahead, register yourself. And hopefully I can give it to somebody that really wants it bad or needs it bad. And there you go. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.